Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Janitor AI Error Code 502. As per our research, this error comes randomly while using Janitor AI. According to our research, this is a server-side issue which generally occurs when the servers are down. We first suggest you power cycle your device along with the internet. Simply shut down your device and unplug your router. Then wait for a few minutes, then restart both and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then go to the Janitor AI subreddit and check if there are any recent announcements related to server issues. If there is a server outage, then wait till the servers come back to normal. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.